Hi, today I'm doing a 2-day what I eat in a day video. I have a busy weekend planned with a lot of temptations, and I'm going to show you how I get through it. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, 2 days, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I am going to be filming what I eat in the weekend. I have a couple of activities planned. I'm going out to lunch at the Cheesecake Factory with some friends on Saturday, and then on Sunday my granddaughter's 5th birthday party. So that's what we're going to be going through this weekend. So I'm going to show you how I avoid temptations and what I eat on the weekend. So come on along and share this weekend with me. For lunch, we went to the Cheesecake Factory. I ordered the salmon for lunch. It's a special that comes with mashed potatoes and broccoli, and the salmon is topped with a lemon butter and mushrooms. I tracked it as 23 points according to the app, but I only ate part of the mashed potatoes. After my lunch at Cheesecake Factory, I went to my grandson's basketball game. He is 12. His name is Zachary, and he is a great basketball player, very enthusiastic and ready to win. After the game, we stopped at Dunkin' Donuts. I got an iced coffee for 4 points, some donuts for the grandkids. I didn't have any. And then we played a game of Rummy Cube. For dinner that night, I had a leftover pork chop that I had made previously. 2 points worth of wild rice, 0 points for the vegetable, and 4 points for the sweetened applesauce. So that meal is 12 points. Here's another temptation I overcame today. My husband wanted some chocolate chip cookies baked. My daughter made the dough, so I baked some cookies for him. They're filled with chocolate and nuts, and I didn't have one. I would say today was a day of temptations. I only had a coffee for breakfast because I knew I was going to kind of eat a little bit more today. So I didn't film that. But then we went to the Cheesecake Factory. I did not have any bread. I did not have any cheesecake. I just had my meal, and that was it. And then we went to Dunkin' Donuts. I bought some donuts for my grandkids. Didn't have a donut. There's a couple of things I did today. I went to Kohl's to take some things back to Amazon from Christmas since I'm going to Florida on Monday. I have to catch up on everything that I need to do, so I did do some returns. And I stopped at Kohl's to take, like I said, that Amazon stuff back. But I kind of want to show you something I bought. It was really cool. This is called an affirmations mug. It has very interesting sayings. I'm going to reverse this so you could see them. I thought it was a really cool mug. Good for a restart for Weight Watchers. You are stronger than you think. Feel peace within. Good things take time. Believe in yourself. Be happy. Be bright. Be you. Yes, you can. And I can. We all can. Focus on the good. It's okay to say no, and that's to food. It says, don't look back. You are not going that way. Be you, think big. You got this. So I thought that was a pretty cool mug. I got it. Positive Affirmations mug. I got it at Kohl's. It was on clearance. I had Kohl's cash. So it only cost me $1.18. So I thought that was a pretty cool mug. And then at Target, which I also had returns, I got some hair dye because I do dye my hair to Stop Dead Gray. I got a Premier Protein for my coffee because I don't have any. And this is really good. It's only 1 point when I use half of it in my coffee. Some sugar-free gum for avoiding those snacks. And a birthday card for Ellie. She's going to be 5. So that is what I bought at Target, not much, but it was mostly getting returns done. We made it through today with just eating my coffee for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I did use my points. And then tomorrow we have the birthday party, so we'll be doing that. Day 2 of my video, it's Sunday. I'm about to go to some stores to take a couple things back, pick something up. It's early in the morning. I have to pick up my granddaughter's birthday cake, and then we're gonna get the day started. And first, I am going to have an iced coffee. This iced coffee, I'm using some cafe latte Premier Protein for my creamer, and that is going to be 1 point's worth. And that's all I'm having this morning. So I got my early morning errands done. I went to TJ Maxx. I went to this store called Gabe's. I went to Giant Eagle to pick up the cake. I went to Marshall's. I got my returns done. And now we're off to go bowling for my granddaughter's birthday. She's 5 today, and so we'll see. I just had coffee today so far. We went bowling for our family. I mean, my brother and both of our families all went to celebrate Ellie's birthday, and then we had lunch at a place called Panini's. It's like a sports bar type of restaurant, and we looked over the menu, and I found that they did have grilled chicken, so that's what I got. I had the grilled chicken on a sandwich with garlic bread and vegetables as a side. I counted it as 1 point for the mushrooms and onions. The garlic bread was 5 points. I ate it open face, so I only had one piece of it. So this lunch was 6 points, and then I had a Diet Pepsi with that.
Happy birthday, dear Ellie. Oh, happy birthday to you.
That's cool. Don't touch. You bring it.
Oh, Mia wanted the purple one. There you go.
I was able to have fun at the party. I bowled, celebrated with Ellie, and I avoided eating any cake. For dinner that evening, I had some leftover tuna pasta salad that I had made. I made it by cooking some noodles, added some light Miracle Whip, some cucumbers, some celery, some julienne carrots, and frozen peppers and onions. So that's what I had. That is a serving. I had 2 servings for 9 points. I had a lot of packing, getting ready to that evening, so a snack, I had some tortilla chips for 5 points with a Diet Pepsi. And then later on, I also had some cottage cheese with peaches. It was 2 points worth of cottage cheese and 0 points for the peaches, canned in their own juice. So that was going to be ending my eating for the evening. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I spent my weekend with my grandkids doing stuff and how I avoided temptation. Please comment below. Let me know what you did this weekend, if you were tempted by any food or events that you had to do, and how you avoided them. So that's going to be the end of my 2-day what I ate in a day video, avoiding temptation and how I handle it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.